Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel Trade Learning. Hope yesterday would have people would have printed a lot. So for today, first I will go through my yesterday watch list, which I had suggested. So yesterday, the first was Titan. Titan I had mentioned if it will break 1100, then it can give some 5-10 rupees move. So in first move it gave around once 1100 was broken, then it gave around 8 rupees. See the importance of this support. Earlier it was taking this support, and when it broke, then it gave very decent move of around 38 rupees. So this is what support is. If it is broken, then gone. Then in my watch list was Glenmark. Glenmark I did not trade because this low was not broken. It was broken later, but this was beyond my time limit. If I mostly prefer uh, my levels to reach by 9:30 or 9:45. After 10:30, I will not watch my labels. The third in my list was ICICI Prudential. So ICICI Prudentials I entered when this green candle was breaking this and this high. I had entered at around 411 and exited around 413 with 250 quantity both in ICICI and 150 in Titan. In my today's watch list for 25th September, I have only three stocks. First is Asian Paint. Asian Paint, I feel if it breaks 1941 in the upper side, then it will take little resistance in this area. But if it crosses 1915 1950 also, then it may go up to 1967. I am biased towards downside. So if it breaks 1908 1908, then it can give very good movement in the downside. Next in my selection is Torrent Pharma. I will trade with less quantity in Torrent Pharma because SL will be far. So now if Torrent Pharma breaks, clears in fact these money zone resistance, then above 2685, then for 10-15 rupees I can enter into Torrent Pharma. Again I am biased towards buy side, but in case if it breaks this low, then I feel again it will give 5-10 rupees in the downside. The next in my radar is Adani Ports. Adani Ports also I am biased towards sell side. So if it breaks 312, then my first target will be 310 and then 312. The important thing is we should save our capital. So once the stock starts moving in your direction, keep trailing your SL either by 2 rupees, 3 rupees, or your cost price or break even point, so that you should not have loss. And the strategy which I follow is mostly consolidation, either consolidation, or if in case the first 15-minute high and low is not broken in a complete day, then that share will be in my watch list for next day. So I hope you will learn something from my video. So I request you to subscribe to my channel, and if you like my work, then please hit like button. Thank you.